What's up, guys? Sorry, my shirt is kind of like see-through, man. Look at that. Whoa. Ooh, that's loud. Man, that's loud. Yeah, I'm trying to get my green screen to work here, team, so bear with me for a second. Hold on. Hey, what's up, Joshua, Roser, Allah, MAP, Trader T, Yeti, James, Chaz, Robert, what's up, team? I got my clock to work, man. I got Haywood Trader to work. What I had to do to get Haywood Trader to work is something with my IP address, and so they were right over there. It was something about my IP address, and I had to open up my personal hotspot. I had to open up my phone's hotspot on my computer, and then sign into my phone's internet, basically my phone's data, and then log in, and then disconnect and sign back into my regular internet while it was still connected to the Haywood platform, and then it worked. You know. But here, let me fix this, because now I'm looking like a mixture. What happened to my Thinkorswim? My Thinkorswim just died. I had to restart my computer too. But hey, the show must go on, you know. Let's see, we can mess around with this. Oh, that's better. Oh, why didn't I just do that? There we go. No, I'm not see-through. I guess I shouldn't have worn a green shirt to a green screened live stream. No, but I got my clock back working. My clock is working. You know, look at that. My clock's shining over here. Doing things, you know. Whoa. Alright. Alright. Nah, I don't have a VPN, bro. I did miss you, Fake Buddha. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Glad you're back, bro. Nah, I don't use CMEG group. What's up, guys? Yeah, if I restarted my computer every day, it would take so long every morning. Hey, what's up, bro? Heat? Welcome, bro. Appreciate that, man. Alright, guys. Whoa. Alright, let me bring up this stuff here, man. I'm looking. Alright, so what we got moving today? Sorry, guys. I know I was supposed to play poker this weekend, so for anybody that followed me on Twitch, I was gonna play poker this weekend and just chill with you guys, but my daughter got sick now, and so now both my kids are sick. I know y'all are gonna say it's Corona. It's not. It's we got KOS, which is Cosmos Energy, and it's an energy stock moving. What's the sector popping off today? We got ENLV, we got GRNQ. Anyways, I know y'all are gonna say it's the coronavirus. It's not. I actually brought my son to get tested the first day he was sick, and he was negative for COVID, the flu, and strep. And so whatever it is, it's probably just a cold, realistically. GRNQ, making some big moves here this morning. GRNQ popping off here. I'm still gonna watch DPW, I think, as well here. ENLV. We got IMGN. CTIC's gapping up some too. CTIC. We got MOXC, which is kind of starting to move up for MOXC. Alright, I don't know if I can deal with this person singing My ear. I gotta go somewhere, man. I don't mind the beat. Alright, we got BOXL gapping up here. What else we got? OAS, BIOC. What? Nah, sorry, my wife walked up here and asked me a question. You know. Yeah, my kids have colds too. Best place to find market news? I mean, hey man, I really did not mean for that A to go along with the musical A. You know, I wasn't trying to sing. But, you know, I'll allow it, I guess. What's up, scene? We got GRNQ. Push it up here this morning. We're watching GRNQ. We're gonna see what happens with this one. DKNG offering? Alright. Down. Alright, I'm trying to find some gappers today, but nothing hee-ho. Pac D. Pac D's gapping up. We can watch this one. Moxie. I mean, we got KOS. Float of KOS is 400 million, so very large float for this one. ENLV float is only 7 million, so we could watch this. IMGN float is 175 million. MOXC float is 7.4 million. So yeah, GRNQ is probably my favorite one because it has a small float and a lot of volume. So GRNQ breaking over these highs here. We'll watch it at 175 to see what happens, but GRNQ is currently my favorite one here. Gapping up from 109 to 170 with very low volume as well. So we'll see what happens there for that. Let me look up the catalyst for this one. This is Green Pro. Yeah, I'm using Thinkorswim, James, from news. So like Thinkorswim is super dope. It's free and it's got a lot of like news releases. Benzinga Squawk for free for members and for account holders with TD Ameritrade. A lot of dope stuff with it. But yeah, GRNQ ripping up big this morning here. This is Green Pro, and they put out something that said that they intend to incubate a satellite communication venture. They dropped that this morning, about 15 minutes ago. And so, yeah, they announced that they, quote, intend to incubate a low Earth orbit satellite communication venture based in Malaysia to cover the Asian region. This new company will provide internet connectivity via satellite for the Southeast Asia region. The vision is to provide internet access to areas and places where traditional internet connectivity is scarce, with no fiber or 5G available. And Borneo and other remote islands would benefit tremendously with this service with our future low Earth orbit LEO satellite connectivity. That's all quoting from BZ Newswire. So yeah, they're planning on opening up a new satellite venture to give lesser known internet places better internet. And so we'll see what happens with GRNQ gapping up from 109 to 165. We'll keep an eye on this one as well. We also have MOXC that we could watch too, but not much volume here. BOXL Boxlight is gapping up a little bit here. BOXL. Do I need to hold the mic here? I don't think I do. I think it's too loud. I think this is probably fine. But yeah, Boxlight is gapping up. I don't see why this one's gapping up like that, but Boxlight is gapping up. We also got BIOC here gapping up some as well. Just not much of a gap up, I guess. GAN here. GAN. Float of 22 million. This one is breaking over 1890s, where the previous pre-market high. We're at 1925s now, so a huge move for GAN. GAN, not GAN. GAN. They did a 10-year agreement with Wynn Resorts to provide sports betting enterprise software in Michigan. Man, they need to go ahead and legalize sports betting. I'm not saying I bet on sports, but I kill it in MMA betting, man. I'm the best MMA bettor anybody's ever seen. You know, they need to go ahead and legalize that. Again, I'm not saying I bet, but you know. But yeah, GAN, they struck a 10-year deal with Wynn Casinos and Resorts to provide sports betting enterprise software in Michigan. So a deal with Wynn for GAN. We'll watch it and see what happens here. We got IMGN. We're watching that one too. CRVS. Oh yeah, CRVS looks good. I don't know why this one didn't show up on my list today, man. This was not on my list at all. What's the news for CRVS? Because this one looks good. Big gap up, big percentage move. CRVS, Corvus Pharmaceuticals, they saw positive results from study data for COVID treatment. So positive study data and results for CRVS here. We'll watch this one. A few other people are expecting an offering for WWR here, and this one's about break even. It's slightly over it. It closed at 443. It's sitting at 467 now. What's up, Wee? What's up, Sandy? What's up, man? What's up, DS? CV19 study. Is that for CVRS or CRVS? Yeah, so they had an updating, they announced updated phase 1 study data. They're working with COVID for CRVS or CVRS. Or CRVS is what it is. So yeah, they updated study data. So biotech stock working with COVID. We also got NNDM here gapping up a little bit. OAS and penny stocks. We can watch this one. We got BIOC, IDT from Friday. We got BOXL, BIOC, ENLV looks good too. The float of this one is only 7.5 million, so it's worth a watch as well. That's about it. I mean, we got ENLV, IMGN, MOXC, BOXL, CTIC. I'm still watching CTIC from Friday as well. DPW, it's gapping down, but it's still worth a watch. But the biggest mover today is really GRNQ. I mean, this thing is up over 175. It's at 179 now. This is one I'll certainly watch. What happened in that thing I had? Yeah, I mean, it's pre-market. VVPR? Alright, I'll check it out. Yeah, this was not bad. I mean, a smaller range relative to some of these other ones, though. The overall market itself, here's the SPY. We got the fake Tesla moving a little bit. AMRN, Amarin, NVUS. NVUS is a reverse split of some sort. Looks like a 15 or 20 to 1 reverse split, 20 to 1, 15 to 1 reverse split. I don't know. I'll have to look it up, but I'm certain it's a reverse split. Okay, so it's a 1 for 18 reverse split. So it's an 18 to 1. Like 18 shares turn into 1 share, basically, is the reverse split. So yeah, that's what I figured. Anytime you see a gap up like this, it's just a reverse split. And we can see if it does anything, but I'm not super duper confident in that or nothing, or anything like that. We'll see though. NEPT. LAC was moving Friday too. We could watch LAC. I mean, it's had some good crossovers. If you guys didn't catch the video I put out this weekend, guys, I did drop a video specifically on the strategy that did me the best last week. We got a lot of views initially for this video. It probably got the most views in the first day out of any of the videos I've dropped in the last 30 days or so. But it's got a good point, which is that these setups are there, and if you want to know what I'm going to be attacking this morning, I suggest you watch that video, because again, I broke down exactly what my plan is for this week in this video. So y'all go check it out. Here's the link to that now. I'm just going to title it My Strategy This Week. Thank you, MA. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that, man. Hey, like I said, I try to just tell people what works for me. And you'll see there's a process behind it, though, because, like, for instance, last weekend, or like a week or two ago, I back tested the 1 minute pullback, and one of the results I got from my back testing session was the strategy I talked about in that video I dropped yesterday, right? So like the results from the initial back testing of like the 1 minute pullback and 3-bar play showed me that the 1 minute pullback specifically works the best during a consolidation like period, right? As like a consolidation indicator. So it goes up to a level, consolidates with a 1 minute pullback, and then rips up and breaks that level, and you would just jump in on the high break. That's what the backtesting showed me in the last 2 weeks. And so once I implemented that strategy with my own trading, I had really good results. And in this latest video, I just reviewed examples of the strategy that showed up after I started to use it in my own trading. And so, yeah, it works really, really well. Hey, what's up, Daniel? Hey, I appreciate the support team. I'm glad you guys liked it. Yeah, it's like I said, my whole thing is like I'm not an expert here, and like I'm just trying to teach people what works for me. But I really did go 4 for 5 last week. I streamed it all live on YouTube as well, so it's like I really did do well last week trading that strategy. I can't pretend like I did if I didn't, because it was all live regardless, you know. But it was a fun week, man, and we're gonna see if it works again. Like I said, I'm as time goes on, I'm definitely getting more confidence in that specific strategy and setup. It's just been working much better, and so as time goes on, I am doing better with the strategy. We also have SPI, which is another energy stock, gapping up here again today. SPI. What was the other energy stocks, like PEC? That was. I think PEC was solar, actually. So SPI, HUSA was one. It's not up. What's the other energy stocks? GRNQ still ripping up. Oh my gosh, man, this thing is going absolutely crazy. Hey, and look at this. Okay, look, I'm gonna show you guys an example of the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, this is it right here. Very simple. All right. I've noticed when the 3-bar play and works the best, it's like this, okay? So first of all, you get a confirmed, like, respected level, like a whole dollar. Okay, you got the whole dollar of 2 right here. All right? And so we got the whole dollar of 2. We're gonna make it big here just so you guys can see it. This $2 level, whole dollar of 2 level, right? I'm sure if we extend this to the left, we're gonna find a lot of confirmation sometime, but usually whole dollars are enough because they usually have a lot of confirmation, regardless of which one it is. If a stock maintains around a specific whole dollar, usually it's going to confirm that whole dollar a significant amount, right? And so what we have is we have a respected level of 2, right? We have the stock move up, break past that level, and remember, the consolidation can either come right before the level break or right after the level break. In this instance for GRNQ, it's right after the level break. And so we get the big level break here on $2. We get the one consolidation hammer style candle. If it's a hammer candle, it's even better. It looks stronger, right? You get the one consolidation hammer candle, and then look at the rip up. And then again, just like I showed you in that video, look at the volume increase. Every single time you see this, the volume spikes up huge. It happens over and over and over again. It's something I noticed. I talk about it in the last video, and even with GRNQ from this morning, same exact thing. You get the 1 minute pullback, and then look at the volume come in right after that on the break. Just a really profitable consolidation strategy that works really, really well. Yeah, it's like I said, it's something that I'm going to be using with my own trading, but you can see it here. I mean, it just works really, really well. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Alex. Welcome, man. Appreciate that. Welcome to the team, bro. I know, regardless of what's causing the volume increase, It happens over and over again. Like, I looked at it in this weekend's video too, and like I go over a bunch of examples. This happens consistently, and it's one of the ways I talked about in the video. It's one of the ways you can profit from pumps, number one, and which I did touch on. So even if that is going on, it's one of the ways you can profit from it. It's just catching these little 1 minute consolidation candles, and I guess that makes sense because that is something that Ross teaches about the 1 minute pullback. A little bit different than I teach it, but still the same strategy for the most part. Why do I never trade pre-market? It's just not my style, bro. Yeah, no. Not really my style. And I think people got to understand like the power of like a 1 minute pullback, right? The reason these are significant, regardless of who's looking at them, what's looking at them, the reason these are significant is because everybody sees this rip up over $2. Everybody sees the break, right? Everybody sees the push over 2. And then once you get a little bit of consolidation, people are jumping in on consolidation. That's usually where a lot of people are waiting to enter, is during consolidation periods. And so when you get a quick little consolidation candle, you got a bunch of people that are piling in there like Ross, and then the stock is ripping up. And so it's just a profitable way to approach it, I think. GRNQ is not looking the other way though, man. This thing is going crazy right now. What's up, RA? What's up, Randall? What's up, man? But yeah, GRNQ going crazy. WWR too. WWR starting to break highs here. I like this $5 level as just a big level to watch. I don't know what it's gonna do at $5, but I think watching 5 is significant. I think 5 is confirmed a few times now, and it's a whole dollar. You know, worth watching too. Maybe 4.75. We'll watch some half and quarter dollars. But yeah, we're watching WWR. GRNQ is the big one though. A few little 1 minute pullbacks, cluster trades, but you see these happen a lot too. If you're trading these though, the hammer candle is going to be the most valuable. Alright, we can look at the SPY itself here too. Since we might try to trade some more larger caps. The SPY's actually up today. Let me look at the market news and we'll go over that real quick. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and quote this, and this is from MT Newswires, and it says, quote, "Stock futures are pointing higher ahead of the opening bell after reports that President Trump is recovering from a bout with COVID. There was still no deal in sight for a fiscal stimulus package from Washington, although Trump tweeted over the weekend that he wants an economic boosting bill passed. On the thin economic calendar is the September PMI composite final, which is out at 9:45 Eastern, which is 15 minutes after the opening bell. It's going to be about 40 minutes from now. The September ISM Services Index is going to be posted at 10 a.m. Eastern, which is 30 minutes after the bell, which is in about an hour, a little bit less than an hour. In other news here, we got Alpha and Omega Semiconductors are up after it had good first quarter results and projections. The XLF is flat. Citigroup is up slightly. Energy, Dow Jones Energy Fund is inactive. TC Energy Corp is moving a little bit. Crude oil is up over 4%. The U.S. Oil Fund is up over 4% as well. Natural gas is up 3%. The U.S. Natural Gas Fund is 2% up. Gold is 0.1% higher. The Spider Gold Trust is down slightly. Silver's up 0.3%, and the iShares Silver Trust is up 0.8%. And that is the market news today. A little bit duller day in the market, but we'll see what we get. And we do have MYOK here with a very small float too, but this looks like an acquisition for MYOK. We'll see what the reason for this is. This is Myocardia. They had a Bristol Myers acquisition, so yeah, that's what I figured. We got 250 here. LONE. Yeah, we can watch load. I don't know what it's gonna do, but we can watch it. It's worth a watch. SLDB is worth a watch. We're also watching AMRN, WWR, obviously. We got like OAS, BIOC, Boxel, BOXL, NNDM. But I'm watching BOXL. My main watches are BOXL, GRNQ, and there's one more. I can't remember which one it is. GRNQ, BOXL, and ENLV is what it is. So ENLV, GRNQ. So we'll see what we get. Alright guys, let me know in the chat right now what your favorite stock is this morning. Mine is probably GRNQ. I know it's probably getting pumped up by other rooms here, but mine is probably GRNQ. We got ENLV here. We're watching this one at 14. See if it holds over that potential crossover in play maybe. We'll keep an eye on it. We got OAS, which is gapping up a little bit. NNDM, BIOC. Lower volume, slowing down here. RNET. Yeah, I mean, a little bit slower of a Friday, or a little bit slow of a Monday, to be honest here. Nothing too crazy, but we should have enough stuff to really trade this morning, though. I thought Loan went chapter 11. Oh yeah, WWR is the other one. My bad, guys. WWR is the other one. I forgot to mention that one. We can look at the catalyst for this one, too. This is Westwater Resources, and they applauded the president executive order to ensure secure and reliable supplies of critical minerals. Yeah, but that doesn't actually mean anything. That doesn't actually mean anything, that they applauded the president's order. Oh, great, you know. That somehow translates to health in the company. I don't understand that. I mean, I'm not for or against the order. I don't even know what the order is about. I'm just saying, seems a little fluffy, if you know what I mean. Who knows though? We'll watch WWR here. What's the float for this one? Float is 9.5 million, basically 10 million in the float. So we'll watch it over 5. We'll keep an eye on it, see if we get that consolidation play. GRNQ and BOXL, WWR. Hey. Hey, we'll see. Hey, y'all want to do me a favor though, real quick? Overpower the hate. Hit that like button. You know you want to. Everybody's doing it. All you got to do, you want to help support our channel here, is just smash that like button. Hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. Do it now. Everybody's doing it. Just hit that subscribe button one time, guys. I appreciate it if you do, you know. LAC. Yeah, we're watching WWR. Crossover just happened here in WWR. Man, I forgot how I had Thinkorswim set up. I know I had sell market. Alright, so I have sell market because I think I have to get out on the market. And then I have buy the bid. Or no, buy the... Yeah, I got buy the ask, sell market. Is what I think I have. Yeah, I had buy the asking price. Should be fine. There we go, that should work. Alright, so WWR is still pushing up here, so we're still getting a push up. Like I said, we'll see if it hits 5. We've touched 5 a few times today. Never actually held over $5 for WWR, so we'll keep an eye on it. We're slowly moving towards that right now. You can see the volume come into about 60,000 shares traded per minute. So we're watching this one to see what happens when it hits 5. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate that. I appreciate that, team. Oh, man. I need a haircut, man. My hair's looking too long. Should I get my wife to Carol cut my hair last time? Should I get her to cut it again? What do you trade mostly? I trade mostly penny stocks, but I trade mid and high caps too. For penny stocks, I trade momentum scalping strategies, VWAP moving average based, VWAP scalping strategies. You know, momentum, 1 minute pullbacks, 3-bar play type of stuff, breakouts. And for mid and high caps, it's similar things, but it's a little bit more short biased for mid and high caps. I tend to like shorting a little bit more on weakness under breaks of like lows under the VWAP, like low breaks that are specifically under the VWAP. I short into those a lot. Yeah. What's up, Randall? Hey, what's up, Sam? Hey, it's good, bro. Yeah, man. A very profitable week last week. That's right, Diego. You know. But yeah, really profitable week last week in the market. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Tom. Thank you, man. Hey, what's up, Nola? What's up, man? Oh, man. Hey, what's up? What's up, Hero? What's up, Hero? What's up, bro? What was the other one? CVRS? What was it? CVRS or CRVS? Yeah, CRVS. I forgot about this one, man. I don't know why I forgot about it. What's the float? Somebody hit me with the float. The float is 20 million, small enough to be worthwhile. So we'll watch CRVS too. So right now, main watch is GRNQ, CRVS, and WWR, and ENLV. Those 4. So we got CRVS, ENLV, WWR, and GRNQ. Those are the main watches. WWR is actually breaking highs though. Look at it, over 5. I said $5 was the big level. We'll watch it here. We did get the 1 minute pullback as consolidation. Hey, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm watching that one, Thomas. We're gonna see what happens. The best gap scanners on this YouTube stream. Excellent. Keep it up. Hey, nice, Samuel. Nice, man. Appreciate the support, bro. CHFS is another one. We'll watch CHFS. I mean, we got a bunch of stuff that we watched today. None of them are really A+ setups except for maybe 3 or 4. The other ones are worth a watch, but lower volume, you know. But we got enough to keep an eye on and keep us busy, I think, today. It's a Monday. GRNQ. Yeah, we'll watch this, see what we get here. Yeah, we can keep an eye on that, you know. It's worth a watch. I don't hate it, you know what I mean? Alright, so shout out to Mordecai. He's helping me out. It's hard to borrow on TDA. Hard to borrow on Cobra. Okay. Alright, so just giving me... Mordecai's dropping some pretty nice news and releases on me right now. So with GRNQ, their last shelf registration was from 2018. They are short sale. They are SSR'd. Nothing to borrow on TD Ameritrade. GRNQ plans to incubate a low Earth orbit satellite communication venture in Malaysia. Is the news. 16.5 million float for GRNQ. IMGN is easy to borrow. But yeah, these are hard to borrow, so we can watch these. They're not too bad. I mean, if I touch it, it's gonna be very quick, Thomas. I'm not trying to get caught in a squeeze down with this one. HMSY. But yeah, like I said, WWR just got rejected at $5. And like I said, I thought $5 was a big level. Look at that rejection. So triple top at 5. If we ever eventually break it, I will almost certainly jump in this now if it breaks $5 and holds, maybe as a 1 minute pullback, just because really just because it has a triple top there at $5 now, and so it's touched $5 3 times. If it eventually breaks it, it's going to be a much stronger break, and so we'll watch GRNQ for that, specifically for this $5 break, and just kind of wait for that. Yeah, my main watch is GRNQ, what is it, CRVS, WRR, and what was the other one? ENLV. Yeah, that's it. I'm posted here. Those are my main watches. What's up, Diego? What's up, man? John, bro, how much rent one of your house in your country area, bro? I mean, I own my house, so I don't have to rent my house because I own it. But I would guess, I mean, I'm a real estate agent, so I could tell you. It depends. Like in my area specifically, renting would be at like, if you're renting like a house in my neighborhood, it would probably be like $2,000 to $3,000 a month, most likely. Maybe a little bit less, maybe like $1,500 to $2,500 a month is probably about right. If you wanted to rent here, you know. But if you wanted to rent like an apartment, you could probably get it for like $1,500, $1,000 a month. And there's pros and cons to each. Pack D. Yeah, we can watch Pack D. It's a energy stock too, drilling stock. We'll keep an eye on it. OAS is worth watching too. WWR still fighting his way back to maybe hit $5, so we can keep an eye on that too. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, we got 9 minutes left. Let's do this. We finally got the clock working. We're actually going to be able to trade today. Yeah, you must be in Cali or New York, Mitch, huh? Huntsville, Alabama. Yeah, I mean, listen, I'm in like a suburb. I'm in like a North Houston suburb. You know what I mean? So it's like I'm not trying to claim. I think like my house in California would be millions of dollars. You know, but we're in Texas here, so we got cheap houses. You know, and you know, yeah, like I said, if I was in Cali, this house would be millions of dollars, millions and millions of dollars, I'm sure. But we're not in Cali, and the market's better here. You know. Oh well, yeah, Toronto for sure. Toronto is just the richest part of Canada. Like my mom lives in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Canada. So like my mom lives in Canada, but like they live in like Batchewana and Sault Ste. Marie, and like there's different areas in Canada. Like Toronto is more upscale and like expensive, to be honest. My mom lives in Ontario. It's less expensive, you know. You love the clock, Samuel? Hey, nice, bro. CRBS. Alright, so we're watching $5 for WWR. Hey, and listen, if you guys need a real estate agent to refer you to either the best agent in your area, or listen, if you're in Texas and you need an agent and you want to talk trading with your agent, hit your boy up right here, man. I'm a real estate agent. I can process your houses. You know, I can help you find a home. You know what I mean? If you're in Texas, hit me up. Email me at beginnertrading@gmail.com. We'll talk about real estate. You know, I got my real estate license. I can be your agent. Look, go to this link right here. Don't call me at this number. Don't call me at that number though, because that's not my number. That's just that's eXp Realty's number at the Houston office. So I don't even go there. Never been there. If you call that number, you're just gonna talk to like a random guy. That's not me, you know. But I have to post that just based off of the Trek rules for real estate. I have to post my broker info. So there's my broker info. But if you really want, or need an agent, even if you're not in Texas, even if you're overseas, or not, even if you're anywhere in the US, I can refer you to an agent in your area and get a referral from it. And so if you want to help support me, you need a house, you need a condo, you know, hit me up. ENLV. Yeah, ENLV is certainly on my watch today. It broke under that 14 level. That was big, but we'll still watch it and see what happens. Yeah, we're keeping an eye on ENLV. It's not my favorite one, though, but we're watching it regardless. It's not my favorite because it's so expensive, right? I'm going to have to use so much of my equity just to trade this, you know? It's, don't know if I like it. Whoever subbed, I appreciate the sub. Whoever it was. I didn't get to see who it was. Let me see. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Johan, thank you for the sub, bro. Welcome, Johan. Thank you, man. Y'all hit that like button. Y'all hit that subscribe button as well, team. We do this live for free every single day right here on YouTube. We got 5 minutes before the opening bell. A little bit less. Here, hold on. Let me grab this. But yeah, we're watching BOXL here. We'll see what happens. WWR keeps hitting 5. Yeah, it's touched 5 3 times, so it has a double top at $5, and so I'm certainly, or it has a triple top at $5. It has 3 confirmations, 1, 2, 3, and so we break over this level right here at this 505 level. I'm probably gonna try to get in, just because triple top rejections are a little bit more rare, and so I think it's gonna be a winning play long term. So we're gonna see. But yeah, WWR, if it hits 5, we're jumping in, most likely. We're still going to wait for the 1 minute pullback crossover there. We also have another one that I haven't seen anybody talk about, which is SRNE. SRNE looks good. Gapping up a little bit. We'll watch for the crossover, see if it holds over 1050. OAS, you know, another one that we're watching. Small gap up. BIOC, another one we're watching. But yeah, GRNQ. We're waiting for this one too. So let's do this, team. Like I said, let me know what your favorite stock is right now. SRNE has news. Yeah, we're keeping an eye on it. We got this. Sorrento to host R&D Day on October 13th to showcase COVID-19 product pipeline. I mean, they're doing a... Yeah, we'll see what happens. GRNQ. We got 2 minutes left, guys. So we got about a minute left to look at stocks, and then we're going to get everything ready here. So yeah, BOXL, WWR, CRVS, and GRNQ are the main four. So we'll watch these four, see what else we get. I'm going to get everything ready on my charts here so we can really watch some of this action. What is it? GRNQ. WWR, ENLV, CRVS. CTIC is another one we're watching. We're watching CRVS too. Really, that's one of my favorite ones. Alright guys, we're gonna get ready to do this. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright team, let's do this. We got everything ready. We got about 20 seconds left. Good luck guys. Let's make some money today, shall we? Hey, let's do this. Here's the bell. Good luck team. Alright, there's the bell. Turn the music down a little bit. Let's get ready. There goes GRNQ here. We're watching WWR still. Alright, we got GRNQ spiking up here. We got MOXC spiking up here. We're still watching WWR. CRVS is dropping here. GRNQ is dropping down to 950 or 250s, bouncing a little bit now. Still watching WWR here. Nothing showing up on the high of the day momentum scanners yet. Watching BOXL2 here. Waiting for some of these moves. Seeing if we get some crossovers right now. Nothing yet. WWR falling. CRVS falling. ENLV is pushing up. So ENLV is moving up here. So everything's falling. GRNQ, CRVS. The only one not falling is ENLV. I'm still watching DPW here. SRNE crossed over. Or no, hasn't yet actually. Nothing yet. MOXC maybe. Potential crossover showing up. ENLV. Crossover notification getting in there. Alright, we're watching CRVS here. ENLV is too expensive, I think, though. SNDL. SNDL's pushing up. So, this one's squeezing. I'm watching CRVS here. Watching CRVS. There goes the 1 minute pullback in E and LV. It's a little bit too expensive. There goes WWR. Man, I wanted this one too. Alright, so we broke $5, but I absolutely missed it here. We'll look for the 1 minute pullback now. For WWR, we did break 5. So, waiting for it. We did break 5 here. We'll see if it holds at 5 now, and we get it here. Alright, so we're getting some drops. GRNQ, on the other hand, though, is starting to look strong here. We'll come back to this one. Waiting here. Nothing yet. AMC showing up on my scanners. Nothing yet, guys. WWR fell. Maybe IMGN. Alright, we're going to look at this break over 450 here if it does, but we need a lot to happen before then. There goes ENLV moving. ENLV picking up. GRNQ is starting to reverse. Watching GRNQ, ENLV ended up ripping up and squeezing up big. Maybe I should have kept on to that one for ENLV. There's the rip. It's just a little bit too expensive, to be honest here. Even though it's a momentum stock, it's just really expensive. We got the crossover here, though. But it's just using all my equity to trade it. I don't know if it's worth it for ENLV. It's just too expensive. Yeah, Mitch is still trading. Mitch, I don't know if he wants me to tell people, but Mitch had a big move in his life. I'm not going to say what it is. It's a good thing. Mitch had a really good thing happen to him. I'll let him tell you guys if he wants to. I've been talking, like, Mitch is like my brother. I talk to the dude every day. He still trades. But yeah, I think Mitch's thing, and Mitch talked about it with me, Mitch's thing is that he does way worse in front of people, right? Like, once you stop having the pressure of, like, live people watching you, trading gets easier. And that's what he said, too. And I kind of agree with him there. I'm still waiting here. Nothing yet. It's alright. We don't need it right now. I'm watching this one over 250, though. WWR just tanked here. We're watching CRVS still, though. NRGU. I'm waiting to see some stuff here, but nothing really looks that good, to be honest. GRNQ tanking down here, too. I don't know what to watch right now. CRVS, maybe BOXL. Nothing, and literally nothing today. It's one of those few days where I don't see anything good. Maybe IMGN, but maybe MOXC over 160. But the two that I was really watching have failed. Even the one, which is ENLV, that ripped, just not doing much. Man, slow day, guys. How are you guys doing today? What are you guys trading? EYPT. We're waiting. I mean, we're, you know, we got lots of equity. Look at that little baby pullback, man. Look at that little baby pullback for EYPT. Look at this. PRPH, guys. PRPH ripping through these scanners now. PRPH hammering up. Big squeeze. CTIC? I had CTIC on this one. CTIC's not doing anything, though. It's sideways. ENLV still trying. I mean, we'll get some red to green moves is the benefit of most of these stocks dropping means we'll usually get some red to green moves. Alright, so I'm still gonna trade penny stocks, guys. Don't worry, okay? Like, I'm still gonna trade penny stocks, but like I'm gonna start looking at some other stuff just based off of movement right now. We're still gonna trade. We just gotta wait for stuff to reverse here. We're looking for red to greens. AMTX. Look at AMTX, guys. Huge rip over the previous close. Weird. I don't hate this though. Maybe we'll buy Alright, yeah, I'm in with 50 shares of this thing for AMTX. I'll add a little bit more if I can, but just 50 for now. We're just gonna see if this thing can move up and hold over 350. Risk is like 10 cents, maybe less. You know, nothing too crazy right now. Huge spread. We're just gonna see if we get some moves up. BOXL, guys. BOXL and CRBS are the only ones that look even somewhat interesting here. PEIX, guys. PEIX. Looking at CRVS and BOXL here. BOXL is looking like the most interesting one, but we'll wait for it. PEIX. Yeah, PEIX is ripping up here. We got a few 1 minute pullbacks. It's too late now though. WWR is moving back up to $5 here. Over $5.20 we might jump in. Ooh, look at AMD is ripping up. We'll come back to AMTX. WWR here. WWR just hammered up here. I tried to get filled there, no fill. Tried to buy in on the ask after this break. We get a pull back to 515s, I might consider it. Never got a pull back to 515s, man. I tried for WWR. There's the rip over fives. We are halted here, I believe. Yeah, see, I tried to get in, man. I saw the move coming for WWR. Just a little bit too late for me, unfortunately. Still holding a little bit of AMTX, just a small little trade. We're just going to hold this one a little bit longer term since the range is so small. See if we can continue pushing up over these levels and just holding. But we'll come back to it. BOXL, guys. BOXL. Starting to pull a red to green move. So we're going to watch for a pullback here. Yeah, WWR is halted on the way up. I tried to jump into it too. I'm still a little bummed. I didn't get failed there. A little bit of a pullback here. The problem though is that the range is too small for box slide, I think. Like, I don't hate this and I don't mind the crossover. What's the float of box slide? It's got to be a small range. Let me see. The float of box BOXL is 42 million. It might have been worth it. It's too late. I was trying to research the float. There goes BOXL. Maybe I should have jumped in. I don't mind this little pullback though. Alright, I got filled. 250 shares here on this pullback. Just looking for this to hold and test 2 again. There we go, there's 2. See if it holds over 2 now. Let's try. See if we get a 1 minute pullback here. That would be nice. CPAH. there's two. Let's see if we can pull the 1 minute pullback over $2. Alright, I'm in a little bit of AMD here. A little small trade. Break even on this one. I like the pullback here, but we're still holding AMTX. Maybe I should have held on to that one a little bit longer. We're about break even here for BOXL. PEIX is actually looking pretty strong. I'm probably gonna have to get out of AMD here. There's two. I'm gonna get out of AMD here, down $3, pretty small. Alright, let's see if we can break two here. WWR is still halted. When's this supposed to resume? Alright, we took half off there. See if we could get a little bit more on this break. Come on, hold two. Come on, man. Alright, there goes WWR. WWR is resumed way up over fives. Alright, there's twos. We just need two to hold here and like BOXL. I got out of AMTX. It wasn't doing much, so I just kept my little win for AMTX here. We're still holding a little bit for BOXL. Let's hopefully break for WWR, guys, is absolutely ripping up here. WWI is at 560s. 560s for WWR, so a crazy move here. A huge squeeze. Let's get 201s here. What else we got? Yeah, we'll come back to this one for BOXL. WWR is just going crazy here, man. I wish I would have caught this. I was trying to, man. I almost got in there. Almost. Very close. But yeah, we're halted again here, it looks like. Or no, not yet. Alright, we gotta break this 203 level. It's gonna be a major resistance level until we can break it. Trying. Oh, come on, man. I'm in AMD with a few shares. Nothing held. I'm gonna hold this break even. 196 I think is a good risk though. We're still green so far today, but I gotta get out of there. It might run, but we're gonna keep that one break even for now. WWR still ripping up. Man, I'm still regretting not jumping in this one. If you guys didn't see me, right on this red to green break, I tried to jump in at 5:15 right here. And it just moved up too quickly that I didn't get filled. But man, am I regretting not getting filled there. Ooh, that hurts. What else we got? We still got equity and we still got time to trade. I'm still holding a little bit of AMD, but we're probably going to bail out of this too. Under 83.75s or so. What else we got? Besides WWR, who is just running up in my face today. What's going on? Weeble's down? Yeah. I didn't get filled. It's not, I mean, I tried to get in with a limit order. I mean, it's alright. Hey, nice arcs. Congrats, bro. Yeah, I tried to get in with a limit order. It's alright, you know. Yeah, we're up like $5, something tiny today, but that's alright. Yeah, AMD, I'm get out of there. Very small day so far. We'll see what else we have today. I'm still open to looking at stuff. Yeah, we're slightly up. I'm looking at ADMA, but I don't like the range. WWR is halted again, and there's no way I'm about to jump in this thing. So there'll be other opportunities today. We're just going to wait for them. SPY. Apple. SLDB looks alright. Like over this, I might attack it. DPW is starting to move. OAS is starting to move. DPW and OAS. What else we got, team? Yeah. Hey, sorry, guys. Yeah, listen. It happens to everybody. It happens to Robinhood. It happened to TD Ameritrade a month or two ago. So every platform is going to go out sometimes. The best thing you can do is just always set stop losses and risks. That way you're protected, you know, because if not, you'll get yourself in trouble. So just, you know, like I said, best advice I can give is just set stop losses if you can. Sun W ripping up here. Oh man, I missed this 1 minute pullback. Look at it. It's the same exact thing I talked about. Over 250. Beautiful. Volume came in. Look at that volume come in after the break. Oof, man. Perfect for Sun W. A little bit too late for me now though. What's the other solar stock? Sun W is a solar stock, so we got PECK. What was the other solar stocks? SPI is ripping up, guys. Look at SPI. WWR is resumed here, so we are back with WWR. We are back. Still down 22. Maybe gonna start looking at AMD again. WWR Yep. Looks like I got out of everything. Okay. Alright, WWR breaking highs again. I would be careful, worried about it's going to get halted on somebody, so just be careful right now, guys. There's the move up to 690s. It's about to hit 7. Pulling back to 670s. Back up to 680s, 690s. It's going to hit 7. 90s, 97. There's 7s, so 710s for WWR. I'm scalping a little bit off AMD, but I'm really trying to watch some of these broader moves here in the market. WWR is still ripping up. Alright, pull back. Making some money on AMD as it continues to rise up. We're going to get out here, just take the little scalp for AMD, come back to it if we need. Alright, WWR finally pulling back some. Look at WWR here. Big pullback. I was going to watch it for a 1-minute pullback, but this one's too big. SPI pushing up here, so watch SPI. AXGT showing up on the scanners. AXGT. Whatever happened to CRVS? Alright, failed. Alright, AXGT is looking very strong here. Beautiful 1-minute pullback consolidation. SPI's popping off here. There's AXGT. OPTT. Man, SPI hammering up. OPTT hammering up. So we're getting some momentum here coming into the market, guys. I'm trying to find some stuff to attack here. But, not gonna go too crazy right now. And 75 shares of AMD. Holding AMD, letting it rip. Trying to get some more off here. 26, 27s, 29s. Nice. Alright, we got ourselves basically to green on the day, or break even, I mean, on the day. So made a little bit on AMD. We'll come back. Still watching WWR here to see like if it gives us any type of pullback break. But this pullback's so big, I don't trust it necessarily. Huge range right now. Hey, nice Han. Congrats, brother. Adrian! Sorry, I'm sure you hear that about a billion times a day. There goes WWR ripping up over 7. We'll watch what happens here. Part of me wants to take just like 25 shares here and see what happens. Alright, I'm in with 25 shares. We'll see what happens. Oh no! The worst thing happened. Oh wait. $25 shares, guys. Oh no! I don't know how I'm still in this thing. I got 25 shares of this. Come on, hold, man. Don't be super weak. Ooh. $16 loss, just not what I wanted there for WWR. I guess that's what I get. You know, I guess that's what I get trying to force that. It's a weird day, man. Like, I was waiting to see if this would move, and then everybody just got squeezed out there. So I guess that's what I get. That's my fault, you know. It's about a break-even day. I mean, we're down like $10. But yeah, my fault, for sure. Ooh, look, glad I got out of this thing, though. Look at WWR just tank. OPTT is still hammering up here. AXGT. OPTT doesn't have enough volume for me, though, really. Usually a day, Adrian. It's usually like a day. Sometimes it's like a few hours. NEPT showing up. Yeah, ADPT breaking highs here. I don't like the range necessarily, but it's better than WWR getting halted on the way down. I'm glad I got out of that thing, man. What else we got today, though, guys? I mean, it's kind of a boring, dull day. What did SPI end up doing? SPI's pulling back to 650, but everything just kind of looks really, really weak now. I'm scalping a little bit of AMD here, see if we can ride it, get in and out with 75 shares on this break. For the 1 minute pullback is really what this is. 58s, 59s. Yeah, we didn't get out there, so we made a little bit just scalping this for the 1 minute pullback. The 1 minute pullback works on mid and high caps too. I'm really learning here. CEMI. CEMI hammering up, ripping them big. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, guys. So yeah, we'll wait and see what we get. I'm not necessarily done trading yet. We're just gonna wait and see, though. Oh, wait. Not this song. I've heard this song too much. I know everybody likes this song, but, like, we're gonna wait and see, you know. Instead of that song, why don't we listen to... Yeah, this is a good one. Here, we'll listen to this one. Yeah, I don't see anything I like right now. I'm still watching AMD for like momentum short-term play. There's a little 1 minute pullback for CEMI. And that doesn't look that bad. I'm still kind of looking at AMD though. this. We're still up. I think I'm gonna scalp a little bit of SPI here. All right, I entered it because I didn't want to miss it. We're seeing if we can ride this up. Holding 75 shares left. You know, if I could take like 40 shares off, that's fine too. All right, we got 40 off. We're holding 35 left, and we can see if this can really work. 35. Let's see if we get over 680s. There's 680s. Let's see if we get up to 690s. 670s. You know what? 680s, 84s, loving it. 88s, loving it. Oof. We're gonna get out there, $14 win. It might continue to rip up here, but we're gonna take the green day, guys. We caught a little bit of SPI there. We are out, got 150 shares, and I think it might continue to rip up, but there's too much of a chance it's gonna hit 7 and reject. But if it doesn't, we're gonna get a much broader win because it could go parabolic, volume could squeeze in, but I'm just not gonna risk that with these penny stocks today. I'm gonna take my green day when I can. And we are green today. So, yeah, we'll see what we get. I'm in AMD here. We'll see what SPY does. But I'm in AMD here. About a break-even day so far. We're just going to see if this roll squeezes up here. Continues to squeeze with this little 1 minute pullback. It's a little bit extended for me, though. But we'll try it. Let's see if we get it. 67s. I'm only in here with 75 shares of AMD, so nothing too crazy. We just want to see 84.80 break. There goes SPI. I was right. I mean, I was wrong. I got out of it too soon. I was right about it potentially squeezing up big, and I missed it. It's okay. But yeah, I was wrong about when I should exit, unfortunately. We're green today. I can't really complain too much about it. But obviously, I would have liked to catch that last move. We got a lot of the move, though. I mean, we made money with it. All right, we're getting out at 50 here for AMD. We're at 84.50s. '60s. Hey, what's up, team? Yeah, I know. Trader T, don't tell me, man. Don't tell me. I'm still mad about it. I'm still mad about it, but it's alright. Listen, we're green on the day. I can't get super upset, you know. I'm green on the day. I can't get upset I wasn't more green. You know what I mean? We break these highs. I'm going to add some more to this. We get over 84.80s. I'm going to add some more to this, and assuming it's going to continue to push up to 85. But we got to break 84.80s here, and if not, we can just get out. There's 70s. Really, the big level here is 75. Like 84.75. It's got to break. We're getting close. It's going to struggle. I'm going to get out of this, I guess. Letting it consolidate, but as time goes on, it just gets weaker and weaker. 84s, 83s. Yeah, we're going to get out here. I'm going to keep it light on the day. Yeah, and look, there's the break under 50s. Saw the weakness coming and bailed out. SPI did end up ripping up on me, but we're green. You know, it is what it is. I got in like, what, like right here at like 60, you know? So like we got in at a reasonable enough level and rode it up to like 70, 80s. And so, you know, we're green. We'll take it. E and LV. CEMI showing up on the scanners. Yeah, CEI's ripping. E and LV. Yeah, I mean, E and LV maybe. It's just, it's got a big range. It's got a break like up here at 15s. Too expensive really for me. IGC, you got Sun W. Still watching CEMI, still watching Sun W, still watching SPI here. Nothing yet. Jumping back in AMD on the break, but AMD's just been faking me out left and right, so I'm probably going to jump out soon here. Depends on what it does right now. CTIC is starting to kind of run up. Yeah, we're going to jump out here, keep it small. AMD failed to break out. I'm going to look for some weakness now for some shorts. I think shorts are going to be treating me a little bit better. Even though we're getting a lot of momentum right now. Shorts generally serve me better with scalping. CTIC is reversing on us though and starting to head up, so CTIC looks kind of strong here. Yeah, look at CTIC. This is looking kind of strong here, starting to reverse up. It's got to get over this though. We'll watch it. GRNQ. Nah, this one's just super weak. I mean, maybe. It's just got a big range, but maybe. I'm not loving that one right now. Apple, I'm looking at this one a little bit here. We'll see if it gives us anything favorable. What's the SPY doing? The SPY's looking weak, I'm guessing. SPY's still heading back up here. Here, team, look at this. SPY's still moving back up here after that dip. So SPY's probably, you know, one of the stronger ones today. CTIC, maybe pulling a little bit of a 1 minute pullback there. CTIC. SPI still moving back up. DPW dropping down some. BOXL never did much. WWR didn't do much either. Or no, WWR did do a bunch, just never really held at the end. CTIC still looking kind of strong here, like it's trying to break, you know, some of these other levels. All right, there goes SPI breaking highs up here, team. There goes SPI breaking highs. It's up to 744s here. 744 is SPI breaking highs up here. It's up to 744s. Let's watch 750. I think is where it's going to potentially break here is 750. That's really what I'm watching. I'm jumping in Apple. But look at SPI here. Apple taking a little bit of profit here. And still looking at SPY here to see if it gives us that 1 minute pullback. Catching Apple in the breakdown. Jumped out. Made a little bit of money there. While we got a second though, guys, look at SPI ripped down here. While we do have a second though, guys, if you want to help support our free content, there's a really easy way to do it. You can become a member. It's only $4.99 a month. The first 15 people to become a member this month get their own emoji, as long as it's not copyrighted or controversial or offensive or anything like that. You get your own emoji as long as it's possible. Like I said, you can't hold me to it. I'll try to give everybody that signs up their own emoji as long as it's not copyrighted or controversial. And you know what we do here at this channel is that we're just a free resource for traders. We don't sell a course, we don't sell a service. Becoming a member is strictly just a way to help support our free content. You did get your own emoji though, like I said. We've had a bunch of people that signed up. If you want your emoji, just message me on Discord. But here's my emoji, for instance. Here's Carol's emoji, for instance. Whoa. And so yeah, all you got to do to become a member is click the join button in the bottom right. In the bottom right, you'll see a join button. Just click that join button in the bottom right. You become a member. Great way to help support our channel. You get your own emoji. You get to use the custom emojis, and you get some perks and old school content that we have and that we're putting out. Whoa. All right, good. We're back. Hey, Greg. Hey, what's up, brother? Hey, appreciate you becoming a member, man. But yeah, like I said, if you want to become a member, you can see a few people here already have membership perks. All you got to do to become a member, guys, is you got to click this join button in the bottom right. You see this join button right there? Click that join button, become a member. It's only $4.99 a month, $5. Great way to help support us. Because like I said, my big thing is, like, I don't want to charge people for anything. Like, I don't want to have, like, some super secret content that only members are going to have, right? Like, I just try to be free. And, like, if people want to help support me by becoming a member, they can, and that's great. But if not, that's okay, too. You're not going to miss out on too much, you know. But you do get your own emoji, and you get to use our emojis. And if you want to do it, like I said, click the join button. GRNQ. Yeah, I'm still watching SPY. I'm still watching GRNQ. We got one or two moving today, but everything else is pretty slow. I'm trading with thousands, Omar. Right now it's about 5,000. I'm about to put another 2,000 into it, so about 6,000. But I'm trading with thousands. You can try to trade with $500. If you only have $500, I suggest just doing like a funded account program. Like if you're overseas, you can use TradeNet or TEFs, and it's an educational package. But once you're approved for the funded account, you get 14,000, no PDT rule, shorting ability, 70-30 profit split. And then, like I said, it's an educational package, so it comes with like a course and all that stuff. There's the link for that. Only if you're outside of the U.S., though, can you use TradeNet and TEFs. And the only reason I'm promoting them again is because they did process my withdrawal. So, like, they did pay me my money. Last year, I built up like $8,000, a little bit less than $8,000 in profit. The past year. And they processed my 85-15 split withdrawal, so they gave me like $6,800 is what they gave me. So they did process my withdrawal, so that's an option if you're not in the US. If you are in the US, you can use like another funded account program, like the Toro Challenge is one. It's $2.99 a month. and they give you a challenge account, and your goal is to make $1,500 in profit while following the rest of their rules. And so they're going to give you a 25K demo account, challenge account, and if you can make $1,500 in profit while following the rest of their rules, they refund you that $299 subscription, and then they fund you 25 grand as a proprietary trader. And so even if you're not a good trader, I think it'll teach you how to follow rules really well, and you can also get 10% off if you go through my link. And so here's those two right there if you want to check those out. I think, like I said, if I had less than $500, that's what I would do. You know, I think once you get up to like 1,000 plus, you can probably have a cash account and trade like once or twice a day. And then once you get up to like $4,000 or $5,000, you can trade multiple times every single day and be fine. All right, so we do have GRNQ starting to squeeze back up here. It's still got a long way to go. I think the line in the sand is probably 250s here for GRNQ. We'll see what happens with that, though. I'm watching it still. WWR is still being very volatile today. It's still moving back up over 610s. Here's WWR here, so very volatile stock at this point. We'll see what we get with this one as well, though. Yeah, you could try CMEG Group as well, but even with that, you're going to need... The fees are going to make it very difficult if you're trading a small account on on CMEG Group. PECK, I believe this is a solar stock, PECK Solar. So like SPI Sympathy is probably what's moving this, SPI Sympathy. I'm in a little bit of AMD here. We're gonna see if we can nail this real quick. A1s. Get out there. Small little loss, but I tried to catch a little bit of AMD momentum from that. Nothing though. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Abu. Welcome, man. And like I said, y'all hit that like button. Really easy way to help support us. Free way is just to hit that like button. Again, if you want to support like our free content, you can become a member. It is $4.99 a month. But again, it's just a way to help support our free content. And so if you want to help support like a movement like this where we just give everything to everybody for free, don't charge for anything, and show all aspects of our trading, you know, then you can become a member. But if not, you're not going to miss much. You know, you can chill here every day for free. We're just a free resource and community here. Yeah, SUNW. Yeah, I can see that, how it could be that sympathy too. Yeah, PECK starting here. Kayla, K-A-L-A, squeezing up. We'll see. Not loving it yet. A little bit of a dull day, honestly. I mean, we got a few stuff moving, but nothing super enticing today, at least. I think I'm about to take a little bit of the 1 minute pullback here for AMD. We're gonna try it for AMD. There goes Kayla here. See if we can get over 85s. There's the squeeze. 98s. See if we get 85s here for AMD. Yeah, there's 85s. So we get a quick spike here. We're gonna get out there, so down about like 15 bucks, but PECK fallen. GRNQ. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, this one's starting to squeeze up. Like I said, look at that level I drew right here. I said that 250 level would be big, and look at that. It hit exactly 250. So I was spot on with that level. Look at 250 here. So I called that one out. We'll see what happens now, but this is when it starts to get interesting for GRNQ. So we'll see if it all holds over 250. There's the 1 minute pullback though. Look at that. So there's the 1 minute pullback strategy I talked about this weekend. We take like 50 shares of this maybe. If it gets over 250. Too late, man. I missed it. I'm in with 50 shares, but I missed out on some of the gains that I wanted. So our risk here is going to be 230 right there. So if we can hold over 250 now. See, I think I just got a little bit overzealous here with this. It's alright. Confirming 230 a little bit. Hopefully it holds, but if it can't break here, we're probably just gonna move on with our day. It's confirming that level a few times, but nothing too crazy. We'll let it try to break here, but BOXL has the crossover alert showing up. So BOXL. I look at PECK. So we're about break even now with this loss, if it is a loss, that is. Alright, we're picking in some support. So like I said, I still don't hate this one for 250 here. We just need to squeeze up and hit that. There's 38s. PECK is squeezing up pretty big too. PECK is at 730s, guys, so watch that. PECK 730s. All right, PECK, guys, is up to 750s, guys. Look at PECK real quick. Look at this. Crazy move. All right, look at PECK. Man. Hammering up, guys. Huge rip. Probably about to get out of GRNQ. I'm gonna give it like one more second here. It's like I said, I'm about break even after this, but maybe I forced it a little bit too much, a little bit too late there, I'm guessing. We're like right around my risk, sitting around 230 for GRNQ. I wanted to show you guys PEC here though. Look at CTIC. It pulled up holding 315s there too. Yeah, we're holding GRNQ. I'm not really loving it though, honestly. But we're holding it just in case we do start to squeeze up here. And if we lose on this one, it's alright too. You know. We're about break even after this loss. If I lose 15 here, I'm about break even. So we're going to give it a little bit of time. Hopefully we get this break over 250s. Unlikely though, but like we'll see. Not necessarily hating it, but not really loving it either. BIOX is showing up on the scanners too. BIOX. Alright, there's 240s. Alright, well we tested it. We tested it. There's 247s. Let's see if we get the squeeze break. Alright, we got the level 2 following it up some. Nice. Hey, we'll see. If I can make some money here, I would love it. But testing 4 250s. Okay. Alright. There we go. Hey. Hey, we're gonna get out, okay? And it could have been a lot larger win, but I don't trust it. So we're gonna get out and make our money today, but definitely not good risk reward there. Maybe messed up a few times on it. I could let it hit 275, but we're just gonna take our money. It's a little bit late in the day for me to be trading, to be honest here. So it is what it is. We'll take our green day and hang it up, you know. It depends on how small the account is. If you have a cash account, you can make as much as you can with your equity. So like for instance, if you have a $4,000 account, you can use $2,000 in equity one day, $2,000 in equity the next. Yeah, see, I knew this one I probably missed out on some gains here, but considering how much this one was down and, you know, how long it took for this thing to squeeze up, I would rather just get out and not get stuck in these halts or stuck in these squeezes. But yeah, like for instance, if you've got a $4,000 account, cash account, like if you've got a 4K cash account, you can use 2,000 in equity one day, 2,000 in equity the next. And if you're trading penny stocks, you know, depends on what the price of stocks you're trading, you know. Like me buying 50 shares of GNRQ here was like 125 shares or 125 bucks in equity. So like if I use $2,000 a day, that's like what, like 15 trades, or no, not 15 trades. That's like 10 trades, you know, 10, 11 trades, whatever it is. But that's the point, is that it depends on how much money you have. I'm in a little bit of Apple. Not gonna hold this one super long. Yeah, I'm gonna get out there. Peloton? You mean, Juan? Are you talking about Peloton, bro? Or it's PTON? What is it? PLTR? I mean, I've never heard of this stock. It looks weak. It just broke under the previous closing price. Juan. I know. I missed out on someone's GNRQ. Alright, but we're green, and I'm happy to be green. I mean, you know. Look at that PECK. See, now if this one holds over 250, it could rip up and start breaking these highs up here at 275. So like if this one holds at 250, I think 250 is a strong level for GRNQ. You know, we'll see if it actually works, but like I like the level at least. Baba, yeah, we can look at Baba here. Baba's weak. Previous closing price was 288, and so we are hanging down there. I don't mind a short if it breaks under the low of the day right here quickly. You know, a quick short, that is. But it's not really my style. See if 287 rejects. I don't mind that. That's only if you have a margin account. Well, Ben, the big thing you want to understand, Ben, is that that's only the PDT rule only applies specifically to a margin account. If you have a cash account, you can trade as much as you want. But there is the T2 rule, so you have to wait 2 days after each trade for the funds to be settled back into the account. And so if I use $1,000 in equity today, I have to wait I have to wait 48 hours for those funds to be back into my account to trade with. And so the PDT rule restricts you if you have a margin account, right? But if you have a cash account, you can trade as much as you want relative to the amount of equity that is settled into your account, right? So if you spend $4,000 in equity on one day and your account's only $4,000, then you're gonna have to wait 2 days to trade on that account because you're not gonna have any equity to trade it, if that makes sense. So point is, PDT rule only applies to a cash account, not a margin account. No, that's actually backwards. The PDT rule only applies to a margin account. If you have a cash account, you can trade as much as you want. You just have to manage your equity because there's the T2 rule, and you have to wait 2 days for the funds to be settled back into your account. Now, if you have a margin account, you usually get instant settlement, but you're restricted to 3-day trades per week. So point is, if you have a cash account, manage your equity. You can trade as much as you can with your equity. But it's much more than 3 times a week, usually, depending on the stocks you trade. It's usually only going to work with penny stocks, though, because like if you trade mid and high caps and you have a small account, you're not going to have much equity to trade because it's going to cost a lot more equity per trade, to actively trade. I have a cash account. Yeah, I trade, like you guys see me, I probably trade, like 4 or 5 times a day. And so, 20, 25 times a week is probably what you'll see me get into. And, it's going to fluctuate. But point is, I trade much more than 3 times a week because I have a cash account. If you guys want to see a video, I got a video breakdown of exactly like what I'm talking about. Here, let me find it. Yeah, here, just watch this video. This video explains exactly what I'm talking about. Understand that, like, if you don't have a margin account, if you have a cash account, you're not going to be able to short. And so you're not going to have any shorts, and you're not going to have any leverage or margin. And that could be a good thing or bad thing, depending on your style. Alright, so I'm getting in a little bit of a short here for Baba. We're gonna get out there. Oh no, I bought too much. Sorry. Maybe a little bit. So shout out to whoever told me about Baba because I did end up shorting that one. Hey, I appreciate the sub, NYC. Welcome, bro. Appreciate that, man. I use Trade Idea scanners. In my opinion, they're the best scanners in the market. Super versatile. You can build your own scans or use their preset ones, which are super legit as well. And so if you want to check out Trade Ideas, you can use my promo code, get 15% off. There's the link. Yeah, get 15% off at Trade Ideas. I don't know, man. Oh, you might be right, bro. I'm a day trader, man. So long term, I have no idea what Baba's gonna do. You know what I mean? Like Baba, I don't know. I'm just short. I'm scalping, so I'm shorting the bottom. I'm just scalping the bottom. I made 20 bucks that trade, so it's nothing too crazy. WPRT. I wouldn't. I'm not trading this. I mean, there's just no volume. There's no range. I mean, it moves, what, 5 cents a day? You know, there's nothing to do, you know, with it. I mean, you could try to trade it. The only way to really trade it is to swing trade it from, like, you know, but it's not my style, so I'm not going to say yes or no because I don't know enough about that style of trading, to be honest, to give realistic advice for it. Just to be honest. For WPRT, that is. Yeah, it's been a really good day though. Today I've traded 5 times. I've had 1 loss out of 5. So we are running at, 80% accuracy. So we're 4 for 5, 80% today. Glad I got out of GRNQ when I did. I mean, I stream every day. How long? I don't know. Depends. A few hours. Yeah, it's basically every day. We might stream some poker today. And so, y'all follow me on Twitch too. Y'all follow me on Twitch. We might be streaming some poker there. So y'all go check that out. Follow me there. Hit that follow button. Join our Discord too. We day trade live on stream every day on our Discord. Or we talk about these big moving stocks on our Discord. And here's the link. We got some great call outs from Mordecai and Scott and Nancy in there. They're doing some great job. They're doing great jobs. You can also go check out my boy Trader Mike's Discord. Super active penny stock Discord. They do a lot of great call outs and picks in Trader Mike's. You know, listen, for me running the stream, a lot of the time I don't have time to get back to everybody. You know, I get a lot of people that message me and reach out to me and ask for help for a lot of different things, and I try to do my best to help because, you know, in the end, that's what we're here for. We're just trying to be a free resource and community. But sometimes I don't have time to get back to them. But Trader Mike's does a great job of talking to everybody and having, you know, a really active community there. So y'all go check out Trader Mike's as well, and here's the link for him. But yeah, y'all, look, there's the Twitch link right there. Y'all go, I don't know, man. I could, do a little stream right now, and just go from this to this stream. What do you guys think? I could just stream on both, I guess. Let me see. Does anybody know if I can stream one on Streamlabs OBS and the other one on just regular OBS? That way I can stream on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Because like I would stream poker and just keep this stream going and play poker with you guys if you guys wanted to. Here we go. I guess I could use Restream, I know. And you also go, like I said, guys, today I went 4 for 5. I only had 1 losing trade today. And if you guys want to see kind of the system I'm building, here's the link. Y'all watch this video. Yeah, there's the link for that video. What else we got, guys? Oh, also, guys, I need somebody that can give me an overlay. I need a designer. Yeah, I kind of design stuff, but like I need an actual designer. So like I need somebody that can do thumbnails and specifically like overlays. So if you guys want to hit me with the referral, let me know. Also, guys, like I said, you want to become a member, help support your boy here. It's $4.99 a month. You get your own emoji. Look at these beautiful, coveted, rare emojis. Look at this. Young John in the wild here. Look at that. Y'all go check that out. Yeah, hit that join button. Become a member. It's $4.99 a month. The first 15 this month. I think we've had, let me see how many we've had sign up this month just to become a member so far. Let me see. Alright, so far this month we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people become a member this month. We got 6 people left. By SPAQ? I don't know, man. SPAQ, I kind of think SPAQ's time is done. I mean, I don't know for sure. It's an SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company merger. And, you know, we'll see what happens here. I do like the pullback. Like, $14 seems reasonable for SPAQ. So, like, we'll see. I don't hate that. You know what I mean? Alright, I don't know if I can deal with this song, bro. It's too much, dude. Nobody here knows a designer that can give me thumbnails and overlays. Like a Twitch poker overlay is all I really need. Somebody knows? Anybody? Know somebody that can give me that overlay, bro? I made like $15 today, small. I'm not an expert, so a few people are asking me like how much I make every day. It's usually anywhere between like $10 to $30. We're just trying to put in some consistency with a big sample size before we scale up, and so we trade small, but at the same time, I mean, we're not experts here. We're not selling courses or anything like that. Like, we're just a free resource for traders, but we stream it all live, and so we're actually profitable because, I mean, we're live when we take all these trades. Yeah, I could use Fiverr, but really, like I said, I need somebody that's gonna be able to do this consistently, you know, like. Yeah. There's no commissions on Thinkorswim where I trade. No, there's no commissions on Thinkorswim. Alright, well, y'all email me, bro. Not with my cash account. I've been trading for like 4 years, 3.5 years, really, off and on. No PDT rule for me. Nah, I need it right away. Hey, I appreciate that, RKB. I'm a graphic designer, but I lost. Hey, well, look, man. Sending prayers, good vibes, happy thoughts your way, brother. That sucks, man. Sorry to hear about your thumb, dude. Do I have any long-term plays? Yeah, I invest in a few things here. I'm holding Apple long-term. I'm holding a few other ones. Like, I'm holding a few stuff long-term. I am from Louisiana. I'm from Louisiana. Go Tigers. Even though Tigers got beat by Mississippi State. Go Saints. Who dat? Saints won, but we're still 2-2 on the year, so it ain't like we could brag. GRNQ. Weird daily looking chart. Weird looking daily chart. I'm glad I got out of this when I did. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, just yeah, we got Discord. Yeah, just here's the Discord link if you want it. Yeah, we're watching GRNQ. I'm not loving it by any means though. It's already failed too many times for me to really like it. It's starting to move up here. We'll watch 225 like right there, but like I said, for me, I'm just not feeling this one today. Where did I learn trading? Self-taught mixed with like online free content. And like I said, I mean, don't let the small size fool you. I have been profitable 4 out of 5 of the last month and a week. Like since I really started trading penny stocks in the last month or two, last 6 weeks, I've been green at least 4 out of those 6. I'm pretty sure it was 5 out of those 6. And so I've been green basically every single week except for 1 in the last 5 or 6 weeks. It's so even though I'm trading small, the setups and strategies that I'm using, I back test beforehand. And if you're just now new to the channel, go look at our actual videos that we publish. We have a lot of backtesting videos where we test specific strategies for accuracy, favorable conditions, so forth and so on. And so if you're new to the channel, go check out those. We got a lot of backtesting videos. We backtested the moving average crossover, previous closing price break, VWAP strategies. We backtested them all, and we've been backtesting strategies since 2018 on this channel specifically. Somebody accused me of copying from Trading Rush, and I'm nothing against Trader Rush or Trading Rush or whatever it is, but I posted backtesting videos in 2018 titled exactly like that, exactly like he titled them. I posted them back in 2018. And so I'm not accusing him because I don't think anybody's copying off of each other. But the point is that I've been doing these longer than that channel's been around. And so, you know, people get weird and they might be a fan of one channel. And so they immediately just start being critical of me. But the reality is I've been doing backtesting videos. The first strategy I backtested was the opening range breakout in 2018. So 2 years ago. So we got a bunch of those, but yeah, hit that sub button on the channel, click the bell, you'll get an alert anytime we drop a new video, and we usually try to drop them a few times a week, so be on the lookout for those as well. Show my computer setup? Alright, you want to see it? So, this room's a mess, by the way. You know, but like, That's my computer setup. Hey, appreciated that, Tactical. Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, y'all go check out Tactical's channel. He's got some dope content, too. Y'all go check out the man's channel. He's got some pretty cool stuff. Y'all see Bob? Y'all see Bob back there? Y'all see Bob? Bob Marley. We got the Beatles. We got Bob Marley, you know? What else we got in here? We got Pink Floyd up there. We got more Beatles stuff. I like the Beatles, but my wife had those posters. We got the Speed bag back there. You know, this is my playroom in my house. So we are upstairs in my house right now. My office is downstairs, but when we had some work getting done on our house, we had to like get some renovations done downstairs. And so during that time, I moved all my computer setup up here, and like I like it way more up here because I can close the door. I can actually shut the door up here and block sound out. So if I'm like filming or recording something, nobody's interrupting it. My kids aren't yelling over the recording, and so I can actually close the door here. Where downstairs it was chaos trying to film or record or edit anything because my kids are fighting with each other and arguing and yelling. And so I moved all my stuff up here, and I just haven't moved it back downstairs. Yes, because low key it's peaceful up here, man. You know. Here, I got you. Tactical. Hold on, man. Yeah, y'all go sub to Tactical's channel. There's the link in the chat. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna try to stream on Twitch today. I'm gonna try to. So you know, I'm not sure I'm actually gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try to stream on Twitch today. I need somebody to give me an overlay, to be honest. So like I gotta get some work done on that before I actually start doing it. And so yeah, like I said, anybody can hook me up with an overlay, let me know, man. But yeah, like I said, anybody can hook me up with some Twitch overlays or some thumbnails and stuff like that. My Twitch handle is beginner trading, same handle. It's just twitch.tv/beginner trading. So yeah, y'all go follow me on there. I'm gonna try to play some poker. I'm actually a profitable poker player, believe it or not. I have my swings like everybody else, but if I play $1 and $3 sit and goes, I could play $1 and $3 6 max sit and goes and just rake in money and just make money. I cash in like 40% of those sit and goes. And so if you don't know anything about poker, and specifically sit and goes, a 40% cash rate in sit and goes is super profitable. So like if I did stream, it would be sit and goes in tournaments. I'm not much of a cash player, but if I did stream, it would be sit and goes in tournaments. And you know, like I said, I'm actually a legit poker player. Of course I use OBS, bro. I use OBS. I couldn't use Streamlabs OBS, but I'm out of here, guys. Yeah, but it takes up more memory, and with all the memory I'm using, like, think about it, bro. I got OBS, I got Haywood Trader, I got Thinkorswim, I've got Trade Ideas, and I've got Chrome, and I've got WordPad, and I've got the snipping tool, all open at the same time on one computer. And so I'm trying to conserve memory, and Streamlabs OBS, while it does have better features, it does use more memory. So it is what it is. I'll have to check it out, see if they have any stock ones. Alright, but yeah, I'm out of here, team. So good luck. Love you all. Have a good day. We'll see you guys next time. Like I said, anybody that can hook me up with some overlays or some thumbnails. I'm going to start using some different thumbnails for YouTube, but anybody that can hook me up with some overlays or thumbnails, let me know. I'll see you guys later. Love you all. Like I said, y'all hit that subscribe button. Click that like button right now. We got 130 likes in here, basically. Hit that like button. Let's try to get 150 real quick. Good luck in the markets, guys. Like I said, become a member if you want to help support your boy here. It's $4.99 a month. Great way to help support us. A lot of other ways to help support our free content here, guys. So good luck in the markets. We'll see you guys later. Have a good day. And thanks for watching, team. Yeah, y'all go check out my man Trader Mike's. Y'all go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. Super active with penny stocks. A lot of great traders chill there every single day. I'll post this link one more time. And I'm out of here, guys. There's Trader Mike's right there. Y'all go join that. And then we got our own Discord too. I'll post that link one more time. Or here, just join our Discord. It posted enough in the room. Just scroll up to find our own Discord. Good luck, guys. We'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Green day, 4 for 5 today. Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Have a good day.